Kakadosh Boker Or, Mishna Yomi Masechet Sanhedrin Perek Bet, second chapter. We are on Mishnah Hey, and then we have to do Perek Gimel Mishnah Aleph. So Mishnah Hey, En Rochvim Al Suso. Nobody's allowed to ride on a horse of the king. Ven Yoshvim Al Kisei. You're not allowed to sit down on the throne. Ven Mishtamshim B'Sharvuto. You're not allowed to come and use his scepter. Ven Ro'inoto Keshu Mistaper. You're not allowed to look at him when he's taking a haircut. Velo Keshu Arom, or when he's without clothing. Okay. Obviously, all these things is because of kavod. Velo b'vet hamechatz, so not in the bathhouse. Okay, because again, all these things take away from the kavod of the king. Shneimar says the pasuk, "Som tasim alecha melech, shetei emato alecha." You have to make for yourself a king, and this implies that you have to have awe of the king. So having awe of the king means that you're going to be careful to refrain from doing all these things. Okay, Perek Gimel, chapter 3, Mishnah Aleph, Mishnah number 1. Okay, again, we are talking about now the dinei mamonot and everything. So now we're going to come and we're going to explain. We just said that any type of monetary cases are going to be with 3 judges. You remember we called it, this was called Zabla'a. Zabla'a is ze borel lechad, ze borel lechad, Zabla'a. What does that mean? One litigant is going to choose one judge, another litigant is going to choose another judge, and between the 2 judges, they choose a 3 judge. These are the words of Rabbi Meir. Divrei Rabbi Meir. Chachamim come and say, no. It is not the litigants, but the first 2 judges who are going to come, right? Because the first opinion was that between the 2 litigants, they come and they choose. He says, no. Says the Chachamim, it's the 2 judges that are going to choose the 3rd judge. Okay? Yes. No. Ze posel dino dayano shel ze, veze posel dayano shel ze. One litigant can disqualify the other judge of the other litigant and the other one as well. Meaning, obviously, if there's going to be a negiut or there's going to be some type of conflict of interest, each one could nullify the other person's judge. These are the words that Rabbi mean. Chachamim come and they say, Ematai, when can a litigant come and he disqualify a judge? Or psulim, if he brings a proof that they're going to be a family members or they're going to be psulim to be a judge. But if they're going to be kosher and they are mumchim, which means that they're not going to be family members and they're mumchim, they're experts, he cannot come, right, and start disqualifying them. Okay? Because basically, if not, then they would have recused themselves before. Okay? Each one can nullify the witnesses of the other one. These are the words that Rabbi mean. Again, this ruling applies, again, that one of them is coming and saying that, listen, that, the family members or they're disqualified for other reasons, and therefore that's it. When is this? Only bisman shehu mevi alehem raya she'en krovim o psulim. But if they're going to be kosher, he cannot disqualify them. But again, in this case also presented above, it's possible for him to gain from disqualifying the witnesses. He might be biased against them, and testimony is therefore going to be rejected. So therefore, again, right, you cannot do it unless Be'emet it's going to be a family member or Be'emet another disqualification, which completely disqualifies them. Have a wonderful day.